So I added a couple mods to the Impulse today. So we got the new Yakattack, the Pro kit for the Rise. Now it comes with 3 of the spots. I added a 4th. I think it's like $10 each for one of these. So 2 of these gives you 1 more spot. So that's the lock position. This is the open. So open, obviously, if it's flat or tilted down like this where it's not fall out, I'll probably use it like this for fishing. You've got a closed position here. Bungee holds it down. You also have a locked position, maybe for transport. For fishing, though, I feel like you'll probably just leave them mostly open. You can tilt it, down like this, away from the boat, or up or flat, or whatever you want on that. Still gives me room to swivel my seat. Obviously, I can't stick my legs out all the way on this side with this way, but I don't ever do that much anyway. I got rid of the rod holder I had back here, which held 4, but they stuck straight up. So they'd get hung up in trees. I had to take them down to go under some low bridges and under some trees. So I think this setup is going to save me some time. Now, if you haven't seen the landing gear, these are the Freedom Launcher landing gear. One-hand operation, super, super easy. By far the best money that I've spent on a kayak modification right there to get rid of the cart. So just got the net back here and using half a paddle here. I got the other half here. I think I'm just going to leave half of it home though and get rid of this one because I literally only use the paddle just to turn to make sharp turns. So rarely ever use the full paddle. Obviously with these in the way, it's going to be a little harder to turn to the left. So I'll probably have to tilt those up more when I'm doing a lot of turning. We'll see how it goes. I'll test it out on the water pretty soon.